Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the best approach to manage seasonal cash flows in Lendio. Now, the best approach to do this is to plan around fluctuations rather than reacting to them. Lendio helps businesses to identify revenue patterns from past seasons, making it much easier to anticipate slow periods and to prepare in advance. This visibility allows owners to build reserves during peak months and to reduce strain when income slows. By tracking cash flow consistently, businesses can adjust expenses, manage inventory levels, and of course schedule payments more strategically. Lendio also supports clever forecasting, which of course helps owners to decide when to invest, to pause spending, or to seek additional funding. Managing seasonal cash flow becomes less stressful when data replaces guesswork. With Lendio providing a clear financial picture, businesses can stay stable year-round. They can also make confident decisions and continue operating smoothly regardless of seasonal changes. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.